I want you to take these because when you take these, we're going to pick the best one from organic and the best one from industrial, and then we're going to apply principles of design. And I'm going to give you like a list, where the list is already there, of 16 principles. And I want to see how many principles you can include in a poster. You know, by making, you know, something linear, which is lines. Making something large, maybe sizes, different sizes. Maybe you have 3 different sizes, okay? And making contrast. Maybe one of the shapes is black, and within that big black shape, you have a small one that is white, you know? So I want to see how many principles you can integrate in your poster. Now, oftentimes these principles of design, they are utilized in communication. If you're trying to get somebody to see something first, now they're not going to put all the principles of design in one poster, but I want to challenge you and see if you can do it and make it work, Showing proximity, showing alignment, you know, showing linear things. You know, how many principles can you actually, so that's a challenge for you. And that's what we're going to work on Thursday. So in communications, you are trying to get somebody to see something first, and you want to get their attention. But if you put something in there, depending on the audience you're trying to communicate with, if you put something in there that's intrinsic to that particular audience, you know, and it's something very exciting, it's going to grab their attention. And if it's large, if the type that is large and the image is supported, you know, like as a background image, and you know, you can kind of visualize this, that's going to help with the communication efforts. Because remember, in visual communications, you're trying to use images and type. It's just 2 things, images and type. An image could be a photograph, an image could be an illustration, an image could be a symbol. But you are trying to communicate with an image and type. The type could be large, the type could be decorative, the type could be sans serif, you know? So you're taking that image and that type and you're orchestrating it with principles to grab somebody's attention and communicate an idea to get them to act. The bottom line is you're trying to get them to act. You're trying to get them to buy a product. You're trying to get them to go to an event. You're trying to get them to get some information, to learn something. So this is the essence of visual communications. And this is something that all of you could master and do well in. I've had business students in some of my other design classes that have done better than the design students. You know, so it's just about understanding the principles and applying them. And you'll be surprised how creative you will become by the more you do this and practice this.